Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Thursday, August 20th. We are seeing some partly to mostly cloudy skies out there, mainly in the form of some low level cloudiness between about 1,500 to 2,000 feet, as well as some broken cirrus cloudiness. That'll really be the case throughout the day as we see our temperatures a little bit cooler today, only getting up to around 80 degrees or so, or maybe a degree below that. No chance of rain as we go into today. Only a very slight chance of a shower tomorrow, and not really seeing any chances for thunderstorm activity until Saturday. Here's our satellite loop this morning. You can see the abundance of upper level cloudiness across the Delmarva, particularly the southern Delmarva this morning. Also seeing those lower clouds around 1,500 to 2,000 feet develop as we get this onshore flow. We will continue to see onshore flow today and into tonight. That'll help to keep those temperatures in check and help to keep any instability out of the area, preventing any shower or thunderstorm development. Taking a look at our surface analysis, we do see high pressure building across the northeast, which is the reason for that onshore flow, and a little bit of subsidence also helping to quell any shower activity. We do have the stationary front here across the Carolinas, and that will lift north over the area once again as we go into Saturday, giving us another chance for some showers and thunderstorms, but only looking like a slight chance right now. Otherwise, going to continue to see this onshore easterly flow as we go throughout today, and then that will turn a little more southeasterly than southerly throughout tomorrow. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing those winds northeasterly just above the surface this morning up through 3,000 feet, running around 8 to 13 knots. Weakening a bit as they shift westerly, and then above 6,000 feet, seeing those winds remain westerly or west-southwesterly, fairly light, only running around 5 to 15 knots through 20,000 feet, and then maxing out only up to 25 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning between 14 and 15,000 feet. Let's take a look at our forecast for today, only expecting a high of around 79 degrees thanks to that onshore flow. Northeasterly winds will increase to around 9 to 14 knots this morning and throughout the afternoon, weakening a bit as we go past sunset tonight and turning more easterly, only around 5 to 10 knots after 8 p.m., and then weakening further, only down to 3 to 7 knots by the pre-dawn hours of Friday, with a low tomorrow morning expected to be around 69 degrees. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing a few to scattered clouds at 1,500 feet, broken at times at 2,000, and then broken cirrus at 25,000. Really going to be seeing that throughout the day today. We might see a little bit of a reduction in those low clouds briefly after about 2 p.m. And then as we go into tonight, we'll see those ceilings drop down just a bit, seeing a few to scattered between 800 and 1,000 feet after 8 p.m. We are going to be seeing some cloudiness around 12,000 feet start to move into the area after 8 p.m. as well, and continued broken cloud layers in the upper levels. After 2 a.m., could be seeing those ceilings drop down as low as 600 feet, continue to see broken clouds at 12,000, 20,000, and 25,000 feet. And then by sunrise, just seeing some scattered clouds around 1,000 feet and broken at 25,000 feet. Tides remain 1/2 foot above normal as we have that onshore flow affecting the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Let's take a quick look at our long-term weather model here. This is this afternoon on the European model. This does indicate a little bit of shower activity, but really not believing that's going to happen across the area today. As we go into tomorrow, we are going to continue to see dry weather, maybe a slight chance of an isolated shower across an isolated portion of the Delmarva, but still not very likely, only about 10% or 15% chance of seeing that. But we are going to start to see that stationary front that was down in the Carolinas start to move north across the region. That'll shift those winds more southeasterly than southerly as we go into Friday night and Saturday. And that will bring a increase of instability and moisture across the mid-Atlantic and Delmarva, giving us about a 20% chance of some isolated pop-up thunderstorms for Saturday afternoon, really anywhere across the Delmarva. As we go into Sunday, we're going to see things start to dry out just a little bit. Not really seeing too much of a focusing mechanism for any showers or thunderstorms. Can't rule out an isolated pop-up storm somewhere along the Delmarva, but not looking terribly likely at this time. But we will be seeing those temperatures start to rise as well as we get some upper-level ridging across the area. But it does look like subsidence is going to be enough to really not put a cap on any sort of thunderstorm activity as we go into Monday and continue to see those temperatures rise to near 90 degrees. Tuesday, also going to be seeing some warm temperatures, but still with some high pressure and upper level ridging in control. Not really going to be seeing any chances of showers or thunderstorms as we go into the middle of next week. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast here, mostly cloudy today with a high of 79. Tomorrow, seeing a couple degrees warmer, high of 81 degrees, with a very slight chance of a shower. We'll then start to see things warm up further as that front lifts north of the area, bringing some southerly to southwesterly flow returning. Seeing temperature of 85 degrees on Saturday with some isolated pop-up thunderstorms across the region possible. Sunday's going to warm up even further, high of 88. Can't rule out a slight chance of an isolated pop-up thunderstorm like I had mentioned, but only looking around 15% chance for Sunday. And then Monday through Wednesday, it's going to be partly cloudy. Not really seeing any good chances worth mentioning of any showers or storms. It is going to be warm, though, high around 90 degrees, daily lows in the mid-70s as we go through Wednesday of next week. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.